Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be Eddy here, your host who loves you the most. Welcome to my day 20 in Godot game engine. Okay, this is the recapitulation, day 20. It's probably part 1 for Godot, day 20. Well, I've spent most time looking through the articles to implement specifically state machine, and I want to actually work with that to start building, let's say, behaviors, or in a way start exercising do more exercises and to get the idea how to better plot the game logic, how to plot it and implement it into with the engine into the engine. There are some specifics how the engine works, the Godot specifically. Yeah, that's what I mean, and how the exported variables appear and work as a resource actually. It's the abstract topics, and actually there is the night quest games that describe those or put an emphasis on those practices in game development. Like we can separate the approach in a game development like naive, linear, and as game grows, you need for a more elaborate project you need to premeditate some aspects of implementation, make your project more friendlier altogether, to manage it as it grows and so on, in those aspects of manageability, management, and that actually includes implementing your custom code that wraps the whole project with your logic. Whether it's the state machine or whether it's some custom tailor-made entity component pattern. What I mean, there is a basic code pattern that should be put in first place, and it should be properly documented and used for reference from where to build and from where to extend the rest of the game and game's assets, and also probably behaviors. Sorry, this is not my first language, so Dealing with these abstractions is a bit challenging. I have three competing thoughts in my mind currently racing. One is how to make this video content more efficient or to follow through. So I guess this part 1, day 20 is just a big warm-up for the part 2. I'll be in an hour coming back and going through my existing project, simple game, and I'll start working on it with it. Open the main scene, the scripts, and start plotting, building like a code infrastructure that will make the rest of the development more manageable. So I'll be back in an hour. Thanks for stopping by, for checking. So if you jumped from the beginning to the end here to check for the summary, well, there'll be another part, and there'll be something to see at the end. For now, I spent all this time searching through the articles and going back. I went back to the main official documentation and kind of chased my tail in circles for a couple hours.